Welcome to my channel, guys. This is Gautam Kumar. Today I have shared some data analyst job latest opportunity. Before that, please subscribe my channel, like this video, and share this video with your friend who are need job. Let's I have a start. First job from data analyst executive, and the location is Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu, and the salary is 10K to 15K per month, and job is full time, and shift is morning shift, and uh, and this is all about. And the next job from data analyst come data scientist, and location is Kochi, Kerala, and salary is 15 to 25K per month, full time opportunity, and the shift is routine time shift, and the job is Monday to Friday, Saturday Sunday is off, and the qualification is you have knowledge of Python. Okay, and this is your responsibility, and you have minimum skill and qualification, minimum 3 to 4 year of experience you have must, and all about that. You have language SQL, HIV, pig, and all, and this is your benefit, and here Monday to Friday I am already tell you. Next job is from data analyst, machine learning, Python, Python, and the salary is 10K per month, and the location is Kerala. Okay, and this is a full time internship for fresher opportunity, and time is day shift. Okay, and uh, and this is all about that. And the next job is from data analyst intern. This is Nagpur, Maharashtra location, and this is regular and permanent. Okay, and salary is not open. And next job for database analyst. This is for Ernakulam, Kerala location, and the salary is 10K to 17K per month, and the shift is night shift, US shift. Okay, and the benefit is health insurance, internet, something, and uh, and this is your job description, and you have read all things, and then you have apply, click here, and apply. Okay, and the next job from data analyst, this is for Noida location, Uttar Pradesh, and this is your job description, and uh, and this is a skill set he need: Power BI, Tableau, Excel, DAX. You have must knowledge about DAX. And the next job from data analyst, architect, and uh, and this is job summary about, and this is responsibility here, and you must have SQL knowledge, and how to apply in this job. And the location is New Delhi, and how to apply this job, you have simply click here and you have apply, and company is Wipro Limited. Okay, next job from marketing analyst. This is a remote job, and the job description is here. You have read one time, and a minimum 3 year of experience in B2B marketing. Okay, and how to apply this job, you have simply click apply now, and you have fill all the details. And next job from data analyst, Coimbatore location, Tamil Nadu, and salary is 2.5 L to 3 L per year, and opportunity is full time and day shift. Okay, and how to apply this job, you have simply click here apply now, and you have fill the detail, and and experience is 0 to 2 year, and the location is Coimbatore. Okay, and and this is required skill set: data mining, statistics, Power BI, or Tableau, both of one you have need. And the next job for business data analyst, and this is full time opportunity, and a day shift, and how and job description here. Qualification is must you have need Power BI, SAS, Microsoft SQL Server analysis service. You have must know